Left Stanwell quite early this morning. Doing well. This is Rosewood Road, I think, Neil. Nice breeze today. What a view! Cockatoo, red-tailed. Let's see if they... Oh, there's heaps of them. How gorgeous. All my friends. Uh-oh. They realise they're going to hit the cattle grid. There I am, just set up near the Fitzroy River on the Glenroy Road. Big day. Big day. Came from Stanwell, so I ended up doing about, I think about 92 kilometres. The previous camp, I'll just get my drink. The previous camp was 32 kilometres away, and that was too early and no water. And so I thought I'd come on here, made it a big day. And then I've also realised as I got to camp at lunch, normally I carry my water filter and extra bladder and that in with my lunch stuff. And I remember doing it. Took it out, put it on the other pannier, and then didn't put it back, and have ridden off. And now I don't have a filter, don't have the extra bladders, though I do still have a 4 litre capacity one there. And plus, funny enough, I picked up 2 bottles of water today when I was at the camping at the servo. So yeah, I've got the ability to carry the water, and I've got water filter tablets, but I'm going to need some more if I don't have my actual filter. Anyway, let's go and have a little look. Doesn't exactly look that inviting, the water. I really do need some, but without my filter, not looking crash hot, is it? Bugger. Come over this side and have a look. Let's hope these are the only crocs we sight. Actually, I can hear moving water, so that's good. I'll be able to get some. And I'll keep it as spare. Oh, that's alright, that's not bad. And I can just tablet it. It won't be that wonderful, but hopefully I can see if there's a crocodile in there. Alrighty. Very good. I'm going to go back and make my dinner because it's going to get dark very quickly. It's so quiet. Very foggy this morning next to the Fitzroy River. I'm not sure if you can see me. Moon's still out. There. Set the scene. What movie did I download when I was in Mount Morgan? Apex. And look where I am. Oh my goodness. I started watching it. I watched a bit this morning as well. Oh dear. Must be crazy. To go and get some water soon. Just coming down to the river, get some water. Filter it through a headscarf first. I only have tablets. Just flowing. Beautiful down here. Oh yeah. Crocodile sign. Beautiful Marlborough Creek. I'm heading to Marlborough. Gorgeous spot. It's funny, everywhere has like a different look. And this is just, you know, the North Queensland. You can see it changing. And it's warmer days. But not too humid, thank goodness, but it is warm. Bit of Bruce Highway riding today. Woohoo! Entering the Mackay region. Woohoo! Good morning. So I left Waverley Creek rest area this morning, which is just before the St. Lawrence turning, and now I've turned off the Bruce Highway, heading towards Nebo basically, but got to head up and out and over that range there in the background today. See how we go. Beautiful day, and I have noticed there's water in the creeks, even though I'm carrying 11 litres. I wasn't sure because so many creeks have been dry, but on this road so far I've been through water, which is good. Let's go. Just done a big climb. Oh, look at it though, look, you can see out to the ocean. Oh. The climbs are hard, but the rewards are so worth it. Woohoo, just about to descend. That's why it's bitumen again. Emu. You see it? Just stood there. Emu. Ready to go before the sun's up. Lovely stay just down, just behind me near the creek at Marylands. Up early. Trying to get to Nebo today, but we'll see. Just take the day as it comes, because it's about 95 kilometres, but yeah, I'm not sure. Anyway, I'll go and just be where I'll be. Oh my goodness. Absolutely stunning morning. Just beautiful. What a privilege. Absolutely stunning. Oh, that was cute. I don't know. Was that visible? Oh wow, the creek's flowing nice. Wayland, beautiful. It's Murray Creek. Flat tire, and I just went to pull the inner tube out, and it's sheared off, I'd say. Anyway, I actually managed to get the tyre off this time. Let's see how it goes. Okay, it was about 45 minutes, rear tyre. Woohoo! I think some days are just sent to try you. That's the second flat on the back in about an hour and a half. The first one I can't fix it, the valves come out. I think I can fix the second one, but that's the only spare I'm going to have. After a huge day, these 95k and two flat rear tyres, changed the tubes, I'm at Nebo. Woohoo! And I do believe the other Nikki, who's doing the National Trail on horseback, is at the showground, so that's going to be fun.